Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making a low country dish again, y'all. I told y'all I'm going back to my roots. And this is a good little recipe you'll find in the Charleston area, or as we say down in the low country, Charleston. And we're going to do some Charleston Shrimp and Gravy. And this little recipe is simple, but it is so good. And I got us some peppers and onions, some bacon, flour, chicken stock, shrimp, and a little seasoning, and butter. And that is it. We're going to make something fantastic. And you can serve this over rice. You can put it on grits. Now, these shrimp right here, honey, they're from the Walmart. You can still do it with the Walmart. They ain't the low country shrimp, I will tell you that. We got some good fresh seafood down in the low country. But let's get this started. And you know if it's got bacon in it, honey, it's going to be good. It's going to be shout worthy. So let's get to cooking this bacon and getting this gravy together. All right, y'all, my pans are getting hot for this bacon. I'm going to go ahead and season my shrimp. You want a little bit of seasoned salt, or you can just do salt, pepper, and garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you want. We'll season a little bit there. Add a little extra black pepper for good measure. And I'm going to put a little garlic powder in it. We're just going to give this a quick little toss, just like so. Now, you're working with shrimp and you ain't used to it, honey. Devein it. Whenever you cleaning them shrimp, make sure you take that little vein out, or you will have a little crunchy shrimp, and that is never any good.
It's not what you want.
Not what you want. So we go just fry a few pieces of bacon. Y'all know how to fry bacon. You don't need really that much. We go just do about 4 pieces, 3 or 4 pieces. This is a thick piece, or I'm not separating it right one. Well, I guess it's a thick piece.
It'll be all right.
It sure will.
I like thick bacon anyway.
Yeah, I know you do. Oh, you know what? It is 2 pieces. I see it now. Go ahead and put this in there. I'm going to go with about 5 pieces. Because I'm going to tell you what. It's that bacon grease. Oh, my goodness. It's going to make this really good. Let me wash my hands real quick. But we're just going to fry this up. And then I'll be showing you. I've already got my grits on, y'all. We're going to have a little grits. And I just cooked it.
Shrimp and grits?
Yes. And,
but it is shrimp and gravy. It's not shrimp and grits.
Well, it's shrimp gravy on grits is what we're eating. But it's not the same as my shrimp and grits. I do have a recipe for that.
Yes, we do. Yes.
A good little recipe for that, honey. You got to know all about them shrimp and grits in the low country.
Absolutely.
So let me wash my hands. And I didn't do anything to that, but I got some chicken broth. It's cooking in some chicken broth and some butter and a little milk. So they'll be nice and ready when this gravy's ready. All right, y'all, my bacon's nice and done here. Yummy, yummy. Now I got this little bit of bacon grease. Y'all listen, this is how we do it.
Yeah,
y'all know, you know your mama and everybody, that's how they did it with it. I just throw that away. Ain't got to wash it.
That's right.
All right.
How we roll.
Now, I'm going to add, now you know when you're making a roux or gravy or whatever, you always do equal parts of butter and flour. But I've already got a little grease in there. So we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter. We probably already got about a tablespoon because I think I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of flour. Oh, and another thing, before I put the shrimp in, I'm going to toss it with a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. All right, get this going here. Let me get me something that's not going to click and carry on, right? All right, once it starts bubbling up, we're going to put this all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3. See if they'll do it. I might need to add just another one. Now we're just going to make this a roux. That butter's in that grease, honey. It's going to, here's your flavor right here. Here is your flavor. We're just going to work this until it darkens up. And you see I turned my heat down a little bit. We don't want to scorch this, honey. Don't do it.
That's your goodness there.
That's your good.
Man, I can't tell you.
For sure. But we're just going to work this now. It might take a few minutes, but you just keep working it. I'm actually going to put another little bit of flour because I could have had just a little bit more of that bacon grease than what I had figured or eyeballed. We're just going to work this into a good little roux. I'll go ahead and put a tablespoon of this flour on this shrimp here, like so. And we'll just give that a little toss, just like so. Let me just get to stirring because we don't want to burn it.
You don't want that to sit.
I'll be talking about don't burn it, and I'm standing here and burn it right in front of everybody. Jesus,
Well, look at that nice color and that change of color, that perfect little brown.
Good color.
What?
Now, when it's the color you want, which this is good for me, you go dump in your vegetables. And I've got 1 onion, and I got a half of a green onion, and a little bit of a red onion. Actually, a total of a half of bell pepper with the red and the green. So, now we're going to start working these in here and softening up. Ooh, you smell that instantly. That smell, oh wow, blessed.
I love the colors.
That's why I went with the red. I really do like the
red bell pepper and the green
red.
bell pepper.
It just brings some pretty color to it.
Sure
does. It really does. I'm just going to let these go just a little minute. Now I've got some chicken broth over here. We'll use about 1 1/2 to 2 cups of chicken broth in it. And we're going to put those shrimp in, honey. Let all this simmer. Lord, it's going to be good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and season this up just a little bit. A little pepper. A little garlic powder. I'm going to add a little onion powder in it too, honey. Because those just go hand in hand, don't they?
Yes, they do.
About a teaspoon. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pour my little chicken broth in here. Woohoo! And this is 2 cups of chicken broth that I had. So we're going with 2 cups of chicken broth. Give that a little stir.
Boy, I can't tell you. That's pure flavor right there.
Yes, I'm going to add some salt in it too. I think I'm just going to put some of this seasoned salt. That's what I got right there.
Little Lowry's, yeah.
And you can obviously do whatever you want. You don't have to go with the seasoned one. It'll be just fine. Just some regular salt. Now I'm going to turn this heat up just a little more now. Now we didn't scorch nothing. And I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp in. And we are just going to let this simmer. This comes together
very quick. I'm surprised at how quick it is. Yeah.
Yes.
Grits takes way longer than this does.
Yeah, I've been letting them, go low and slow, honey.
Oh,
low and slow.
That's the best way to cook them grits.
Yeah, got to put some love in your grits, honey.
Yeah.
Love. There we go. So I'm just going to let this simmer. And I will be back. I'm going to taste it. Make sure I get enough salt and all the good stuff in it. And I'll come back when it's ready. All right, y'all, it's ready. It was ready in no time. Don't take long at all. Now I'm just going to take some of this good old bacon. We're just going to crumble this right on top. Just like so. Little crumbles. And I'm going to add just a sprinkle of green onion. Yummy. And just a little dash of hot pepper. And there you go. Shrimp gravy. Some Charleston shrimp gravy.
Delicious.
Can't beat it, y'all.
I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait.
Can't beat it. Let's do it. All right, y'all. It's all ready.
I'm ready.
Shrimp gravy. I just told him, I said, Lord, we've never made gravy of every kind. Just
I love
about.
gravy. Ain't nothing wrong with gravy. Southern people, that's what we eat.
We eat gravy, honey. That's what we
I
do.
mean, that's what, listen, our parents and their parents, gravy was a staple.
Cheap. Gravy was cheap.
It was flour and
Flour
butter
goes a
and
long way. In fact, growing up, we didn't do the butter. We did.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I ain't even had no shrimp. Not yet.
Get your shrimp.
I just had the grits and the
Get
gravy.
your shrimp.
I ain't even really need no shrimp, to be honest.
It really is good.
Yeah, there will be some of that.
Insert music.
Yeah.
No.
There will be some of that. What she said. Y'all, I'm telling you, some days my job is just fantastic. Well, really, most of the time, always my job is fantastic. I must say I'm spoiled. I really am spoiled. Yeah, I am. The Lowcountry of South Carolina knows what's up.
We do. We know what's up, baby.
That right there is what's up. That's what's up. And I'll put that right there with anything you can possibly, as far as like cheapness and flavor, just.
Yeah, and I know this ain't Tightwad Tuesday, but the shrimp was only what, $5?
$5.
$5 for that little bag of shrimp.
Yep.
And
Well, it was
pepper.
$6. It was like $5.99.
$5.99, $6. But grits is cheap, flour, all the things, bacon. You know, it didn't take
It wasn't
much.
much. It was like $4.97 for the bacon. It was only $10. And this is like a delicacy, y'all.
Yes.
You go to Charleston
All the fancy restaurants.
and order shrimp and gravy, and it's a $50,
It is.
$30 to $50 plate in some of those high-end restaurants, and it's really not that expensive to make. It's really not.
No, honey,
And
they
I'm gonna tell
killing
you,
it.
that is fantastic. Y'all learn how to make this gravy.
Yeah.
Learn.
Y'all see how fast and
It's
easy
not
it
hard.
was.
It's not really hard.
Not hard at all. I think you could do it.
I think I could do
you
it. I really
pull
do
it
believe I
off.
can make gravy. I've been watching gravy for a long
do.
time in this kitchen.
And you can put this honestly over rice, a potato. I mean,
Oh,
you
that
could
would be
do.
good.
You
That would
could
be
do. Put it. Piece of white bread.
It would be good on white bread. It would be good over white bread, y'all.
Yes, but it really is. It is delicious. It's simple, and like I said, it's my roots, honey. This is where I come from.
This is what's up.
This is how we
This
eat.
what's up. Yes.
Yes, especially like I said, that good fresh seafood down there. Oh,
That's fire.
fire.
Yeah. What's up?
Yes. Anyway, y'all give it a try. If you do, let me know. Holler back at us.
Yes.
And if there's any, hey, listen, some of my low country people down there, friends, family. If I'm missing some low country recipes, y'all let me know.
Yeah, we love. There's recipes out there we know. There's people that my grandma had this, and we did it differently, and we love to hear that. That's why we do this. We really do. We love to hear. That somebody did it different. That's really, she enjoys hearing stuff like that.
Yep. And like I said, from the Low Country, we had all kind of soups and stews and seafood and all the things. The little gullah and
geechees
dishes.
Yeah.
Yes. So anyway, this is one. This is of course shrimp. Anything's good.
Yeah.
I mean, anyway. Y'all, thank you so much for watching and following along, giving us love, and doing all the things, hyping us up.
Yes.
And we just appreciate it and just love you to pieces.
We do.
And we will see you next time.
Peace.
Peace.